Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar and I am going to demonstrate how Java applications can be run using the Liberty image available in the IBM Container Registry. Let us start the demo by reviewing the prereqs which are needed for building the Docker image and pushing the image to the IBM Container Registry. Let us check the Docker version. So we have the Docker client version 1.7. We need Docker version above 1.6. Now let us review the Cloud Foundry version CF version. So we have the Cloud Foundry version 6.12 installed. Now let us check whether the IBM Container plugin for Cloud Foundry has been installed. CF plugins. So we could see the IBM Container plugin is installed. Refer the IBM Container Bluemix documentation for the prerequisites which are needed for building the Docker image and pushing the image to the IBM Container Registry. Let us log in to the Cloud Foundry. CF login. Provide the email address. Provide the password. It's getting authenticated. Select the org. Now we have successfully logged into the Cloud Foundry. Let us log in to the IBM Container. CFIC login. So it is retrieving the client certificates. Certificates are successfully retrieved. Now we are authenticating with the registry at registry.ng.bluemix.net. The authentication is successful. And now it provides information on how Docker CLI can be used to access the IBM container. Let us pull the Liberty image from the IBM Container Registry. Docker pull registry.ng.bluemix.net/IBM Liberty latest. IBM Liberty image is getting pulled. Image has been successfully pulled. So let us check that. Docker images registry.ng.bluemix.net/IBM Liberty. So we could see the image has been successfully pulled. Let us review the Docker file which we are going to use to build the new Docker image using the image we have pulled from the IBM Container Registry. We are going to use IBM Liberty image pulled from the IBM container as the base image, and then we are going to copy the sample1.war to the drop-ins folder. Then we are going to accept the license. Sample1.war file is placed along with the Docker file in the Bluemix container folder. So let us build the new image. Docker build -t registry.ng.bluemix.net then then KAVI, which is the namespace, and then / and the image name. So let us give the image name as sample1. So the image has been successfully built. So now let us push the image. Docker push registry.ng.bluemix.net then / then KAVI, the namespace name, and then the sample1. The image is getting pushed. Image list is getting sent. The image has been successfully pushed to the IBM Container Registry. Now let us log in to Bluemix. Click Login button. Provide the user ID and password and then click Sign in. Start Containers option. In the Container Images page, click the image which we have pushed to the IBM container. Write the name of the container. Sample container. Select the container size. Let's select tiny. Then select the public IP address. And then provide the port 9080. Click Create. The container is getting created. The container is running successfully and we have the public IP mapped to that. So let us use the public IP and launch an application. We have used the public IP mapped to the container and launched the application, and the application is running successfully. In this demo, we have seen how the IBM Liberty image can be pulled from IBM Container Registry, and new image can be built with the application and pushed back to the IBM Container Registry, and container can be started using that image, and using the public IP address how the application can be launched. Thanks for watching the demo.